So let's look at one more of these. So given a is equal to 4 feet, b is equal to 14 feet, and theta of a is equal to 60, determine if the triangle exists, and if it does, we want to find c and theta c. Now, one thing that I do want to mention is, again, because we use lots of different books over the course of, sometimes our textbook changes every year. Some textbooks actually use given values of a and b. There are some relationships that are guaranteed to exist, and some based on thetas and other things. So if we are currently using one of those textbooks and you happen to be looking at it, yes, there's sometimes relationships. I find it's easier just to look for mathematical inconsistencies than try to memorize this long list of if A is longer than B but is less than C, those kind of things. So know that those do exist, and they may exist in your book. You are free to use them if you would like. I'm not going to stop you, but one thing that I do tend to do is I also like to see mathematically that you understand when something works or when it does not. So let's look at sine of A over A is equal to sine of B over B. Again, I'm trying to find sine of B because I have A and sine of A. This gives me sine of B is equal to 14, sine of 60 over 4. This gives me sine of B is equal to 3.03. Again, this is going to fall outside the range of sine because, again, the range is from -1 to 1, or this is also going to fall outside the domain of my arcsine. So because of that, this is not going to exist in my very first step.